Hello friends, welcome back to USN Mix channel. Today we'll discuss about the price of this iPhone in India. Can you imagine the iPhone price is more than in US? The price in US. Go to the USN Mix report. Our website is usnmix.com and go to the first report. iPhone XS. This is the model. iPhone XS price is more expensive in India than US. Go to the full report. iPhone XS price is more expensive in India than US. Go to the report, USN Mix report. In this neighboring country, iPhone cheaper more than US price in India. So US price is more than India. In India, the price of iPhone XS is $1,635. In India, its price is $1,635, which is cheaper than Brazil, Turkey and Argentina only. If you want to buy an iPhone at the lowest price, then India is not suitable place for it. In the new report, it has been revealed that in India is the fourth most expensive country in terms of price of iPhone XS. According to the Dutch Bank report, the price of XS in India is 1,635, which is cheaper than Brazil, Turkey and Argentina only. In India, the price of this iPhone up to 25 to 65% more than the US. If you want to go in US, then you can purchase one iPhone. It is cheaper than India in about the approximately the price of than India. India, its price is 1,635 and in America it is lower. According to the Dutch mapping, the world's price in 2019, the report of this bank, do not lose your phone while celebrating holiday in Brazil, Turkey, Argentina, India or Greece, because there the price of the iPhone is 25 to 65% higher than the US. In all countries, US is the lowest price. US price is low. Comparison with all these countries. In not only India, all the other countries like Brazil, Turkey, Greece and all other European countries is more than the US. US price is too much low for this iPhone. It is also the cheapest place to buy an iPhone out of Nigeria. To the report, this report reveals that the cost of the iPhone in Bangladesh is less than that of the India. Bangladesh, the price is less than in India. In addition to the iPhone, the survey shows that in prices or hotel prices, the survey shows that the prices in hotel, gas prices and other goods and services, including haircut, all the prices are not are less than the price in India. So in many condition, there is many goods or services, the prices is less than from the India. Bangladesh is more less than the price of India. So this is the report about the Xiaomi iPhone XS in India price 1,635, and it is the more than the US. So if you want to buy iPhone, then you just go to the US. If you have planned to go to the US, then you can buy from there and it will be more cheaper than in India. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, then like, share and subscribe.